Hi, this is Anna Christina, and this is 2-Minute Resilience. I'm sharing tools of hope with the resilience builders. We're going to get instant resets, simple rebuilds, and an unexpected refreshing. I wanted to jump on really quick and share a second tool, a 2-minute resilience tool that helps us to get grounded. An earlier tool I shared to envision something. This tool is going to be hearing something. So, for example, water grounds me. In my case, water grounds me. I love hearing water. I love hearing a baby laugh. You know what? Our toddler just laughs, that belly laugh that they have. That's just so genuine and so authentic. I love hearing aspen leaves rippling in the breeze. That's one of my most favorite things. I lived on a tiny Alaskan island for 4 years. And there were no trees. Lots of wind, lots of cold, and no trees. And I missed the leaves rippling in the sunlight. I missed the sound of the leaves in the breeze of the wind. I missed feeling the crunch of the leaves in the fall for 4 years. And so one of my most treasured sounds is hearing leaves rippling. So for me, I go back to those things and they help to ground me. So I want you to think about a sound that grounds you. It might be music. It might be something outside in nature. It might be somebody, their voice or their laughter. I want you to be able to think about that, and that will help you ground. So for example, if I were to go up into the mountains and sit next to a babbling brook or a babbling stream, right? It's not super loud, but just that water that's kind of dancing and trickling over the rocks, that sound, and just close my eyes and just fill my ears with the sound of the water rippling. Fill my ears with the sound of the leaves above me rustling in the breeze. That grounds me within seconds, because we're using our imagination to ground. You can also check out an episode on imagination and how that helps us to ground and build resilience. So this 2-minute resilience tool is reminding us to use sound, the things that we love to hear, to help us ground, bam, in the instant. What you want to do is practice before the crisis, okay? As my friend Rick George says, the storms reveal the foundation. They're not the time to build the foundation. So we want to practice before the storm comes. This resilience tool is about listening in your imagination so that you can ground instantly. Bam. Get back to your center, be able to think more clearly, be able to problem solve faster, and be able to feel better faster. This is Anna Christina sharing tools of hope with the Resilience Builders. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.